start solving today's LeetCode daily challenge question. So the question is minimum number of operation to make elements in array distinct. So you are given an integer array nums. You need to ensure that the elements in the array are distinct. To achieve this, you can perform the following operation in any number of times. So we can remove three elements from the beginning of the array. If the array has fewer than three elements, remove all remaining elements. Okay. And an empty array is considered to have a distinct elements. We have to return minimum number of operations needed to make the elements in an array distinct. Okay, so if we see this example, what we have to do is we have to ensure that the elements in an array are distinct. For that, what we can do is we can remove three elements from the beginning. So if you see this example, let's take this. So first, check check if this array is if this array has a distinct elements. No, so we will remove first three elements, that is this 1 2 3. So what are the remaining elements is 4 2 3 3 5 and 7. Now we again will check if array has distinct elements. No. Why 3 is repeating? So again we will remove first three elements, that is 4 2 and 3. What are the remaining is 3 5 and 7. So how many operations we needed is 2, because first we removed 1 to 3, again we removed 4 to 3. The remaining is 357. So the brute force approach will be every time we will remove these elements, or you can just consider the index start and start, which we will increment 3. Okay, plus 3 every time. So this and this, and we will send from that I plus 1 to n the elements are distinct or not, that we will check. If not, again we will do the same thing. So that will be the brute force. But let's see the approach how we will solve this is, see, these are the okay, these are the elements. Instead of like starting from the beginning, let's go from the end of the array. Is let's check if there is any element which is repeating. Okay, so if we see 7 5 5 7, is anything repeating? No. 3 5 7, no. 3 3 5 7, yes. So here only it is like duplicate element is there. So till this array, anyway we have to remove all the element to make our array distinct, as we are only like we have condition. Okay, so we can only remove from the beginning of the array. Okay, so if we check if any element from the end of the array is repeating, then that will be the position where our like new array will start, and we have to delete these elements. Okay, so we have to find these numbers which are repeating or duplicate from the end of the array until this. Okay, so if now we got this 3 here, and if we check what is the size of this array from the beginning to this is 6, that means it is a multiple of 3. So we can just remove this. We don't actually need to like remove, we just have to return how many operations. Okay, how many minimum number of operations are needed to make elements in the array distinct. Okay, so if we see 6 is there, so 6 by 3 is 2, so 2 times, so operation 2. So let's say if we have one more example, as again here 2 is there, but again this is repetitive. So what is the size of this array? It's 7. Okay, so it is not like divisible by 3, right? So then what we will do is we will do plus 1 just. So because 1 to 3, 4 to 2, and again 3 3 5. Three operations are needed to make the array distinct. Okay, as here it is written, if the array has fewer than three elements, remove all the remaining. So if we delete this, okay, let's say this is our new array, then 1 to 3, 4 to 2, and 3 3 both. So three operation. So let's solve. First, what we will do is we will use a hash array which will store the what which will store frequency of each element. If we get more than one frequency of any element, that means that is our stop point. Till that element we have to like remove. Okay, so let's take int hash. And what we will take the size is, let's see the constraint. Here you can see 100. So I will do 101. Okay. Now int our answer, or last index, instead of that I'll say last index. Okay, so for int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length I plus plus. Okay, so here what we'll do, first we'll do hash of that nums of I plus plus. Now what we will check now is, if my hash of nums of I is greater than 1, that means it is repeating greater than 1, then what we can say, last index is equal to I plus 1, as I is the index and we want the number of elements from the beginning. Okay, so I plus 1 and we will here break. Okay, now after this loop, what we have to do is we have to check if this last index is divisible by 3, then we will just return last index divided by 3. Else what we will do, we will return last index divided by 3 plus 1. Why plus 1? Because there will be one more element, and anyway to make the array distinct we have to remove that, and we cannot remove only one element, we have to remove the three elements. Okay, here you can see three elements. So we will be that is why we are adding 1 plus 1, because one more operation. Now let's submit the code. Okay, let's see what happened. Here it is 15. Oh, one thing, why we are going from the beginning, we have to go from the end, right? So that is why it is giving us a wrong answer. Explain, while explaining I explain from the end. From the end we have to check which is the duplicate number, right? Again, while writing the code I just missed that thing. I'll do minus minus. Still you can see so many test cases are getting passed. Okay, so let's run. Yeah, now let's submit this. We have to check from the end, right? While explaining I explain in that way only, that this 3 and okay, now you can see our solution got accepted. So in this way, this is a one way of solving this question. Okay, so there can be multiple ways to solve this question. In this video I have explained this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated.